Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I am the president of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also an inventor, a scientist, a mother, an artist, and I'm an author. I like to do a lot of things in my life because there's a lot of things that we need solutions for in this world. Today I want to talk about one of the classes at Rahm Thomas University and one of the highlights of the patents that we will teach and we will also educate people on as far as the environment, human and animal health. So I'm going to read to you guys a little bit about one of the patents in the class so you can understand some of the things I have done as a scientist and some of the solutions that we have for the world. So one of the patents that I filed is on filtration devices, facial mask, eye mask, and protective clothing with or without filtration devices. The purpose of this patent is to be able to wear protective clothing and protective gear that protects against viruses, parasites, bacteria, fungus, pollution, and heavy metals, even nuclear waste that's in our world. See, the problem is we go outside every day and we're exposed from the day we are born to toxins. Another issue is that we're even exposed in our womb when we're babies. So these patents really address how do we filtrate this out so it doesn't get into the body? How do we protect ourselves? There's a lot of uses for this. It can be used again with animal health, human health, and in the environment. I'm very excited to teach this class and to let people understand what they can do to really protect their bodies. We have a clothing line called Mercy Dupree Clothinaires that I use this patent and the trade secrets in the clothing. I also have Envirom Skinwear that I use some of the patent information as far as what I did for the skin wear so you can protect your skin, which is your largest organ. I look forward to really teaching people about this class, and I look forward to teaching people about the patents. There's a lot of things to do, and hopefully we can have solutions together as we teach and train younger generations to have solutions for the world.